Accessory needed: handle, handle spindle, handle screws, lock cylinder screw. Tool needed: electric drill or screwdriver. Open the door. Use the handle intended for installation to open the door first. Handle installation. First, insert the spindle. Then mount the handles on both the interior and exterior sides. Note: ensure the handle with the screw holes is placed on the interior side. Insert the lock cylinder. Tighten the lock cylinder screw. And finally, tighten the handle screws. Testing and adjustment. Operate the handle to open and close the door.